Hi, welcome to Financial Freedom Hub, the online earning tutorial channel. In this video, I'm introducing you to Fund Your Dreams network, named the $1 Club. Fund Your Dreams network, aka the $1 Club. Fund Your Dreams network is a donation-based network or company that helps you donate, and then you also receive donations from others. And so I want to take you through basically just brief information, and in subsequent videos I'll be showing you details. So let's get inside and see what is in it and what is involved, and then we can shoot. All right, let's go. All right, so what is Fund Your Dreams? Fund Your Dreams is a donation-based platform that can give you $20,000 in 5 easy levels. So this is a donation-based, or what we popularly call crowdfunding network, where every individual donates a little bit and then also gets donation from others. So Fund Your Dreams exists to help you raise the money you need to start your dream business. Many of us have a dream to start a business that's a physical business, but we don't have the capital because many of the banks will not give us this kind of amount because we don't have any asset to give us a collateral. So I believe this is a simple platform where you can easily raise that fund. You can use your earnings to achieve any of your personal projects, like pay school fees, buy a car, build your house, or start your own business. All you have to do is to get just 2 downlines who will pay $1 each to you, and this is a one-time out-of-pocket payment. So once you register with your $1, your obligation is to get 2 like-minded people who will also be ready to fund the account with $1 and also build their network, get their 222, and then the team builds up, and then you will be earning and everybody will be earning. Your downlines also get their 2 downlines each, and you build your network gradually this way. The truth is, it is your network that will keep upgrading to you till you complete level 5 and earn a whopping $20,160 US. So that is basically what the Fund Your Dreams is about, a donation-based platform where everybody pays one-time out-of-pocket money of $1. That is all you need to pay. So if you are in Nigeria, that's about 1,000 naira. If you are in Ghana, you are parting with 16 Ghana cedis, and then you are ready to go get your registration pin, register your account, and get others involved, and then start building your network and start earning money as you build your network. The difference between Fund Your Dreams is that all the donations are compelled, so nobody can take their earning and run away and decide that they are not going to upgrade or they are not going to donate to their upline. Everybody receives from their downlines, and then you donate to upgrade yourself to the next level, like that, until you reach level 5, where you gather everything up to 20,000 and walk out. All right, so I'd like to share with you a voice note from the CEO and the founder of Fund Your Dreams network. She's a woman. She's called Ruth Ken Uzoma, a Nigerian, lives in Lagos. So I want to bring you a voice note from her, an audio from her, and then you listen, and then because it is better to listen to the horse and listen from the horse's own mouth what motivated her to start this platform, and then the various ways you can earn on this platform. So just sit down and listen to her, and then I'll be back to you. All right, so let's go in.
Hello, team leaders. My name is Ruth Ken Uzoma. I'm the CEO of Fund Your Dreams Network, also known as the $1 Club. This network was launched out of my desire to gain financial freedom, as well as help as many people as I can achieve financial independence too, especially those who have kids or dependents like me. Our desire to give them a life better than what we had should drive us to seek legitimate means to make money. With Fund Your Dreams, you register with 1,000 naira only, that's $1, and you get 2 things. Number 1, you get the unique ebook that I wrote by myself, How to Start Any Business Without a Dime from Your Pocket. This ebook can be downloaded straight from your dashboard as soon as you register and log in. Number 2, you also get an earning position in our network. All you have to do to start earning is to refer just 2 direct downlines who also register with 1,000 naira, that's $1, to get the 2 benefits I talked about before. Your first 2 downlines upgrade their registration fee of 1,000 naira, that's $1 each to you. So you have 2,000 naira, that's $2 in your wallet. This is your first level earning. Remember, we say this is a network that gives you earning on 5 simple levels. But you can't withdraw this 2,000 naira because we want you to earn much more than this. So what do we expect you to do? We expect you to upgrade that 2,000 naira to your second level upline and encourage your 2 downlines to build their own teams too. The next upgrade you will get from your team will be 2,000 naira, that's $2 from 4 people, that's 8,000 naira. This is your second level earning. From the 8,000 naira, you're supposed to upgrade 7,000 naira, that's $7 to your uplines, and you can withdraw 1,000 naira, that's $1 to your bank account or your crypto wallet. For your third level earning, you get 7,000 naira, that's $7 from 8 people. It gives you a total of 56,000 naira or $56. You're not supposed to withdraw everything again. You're supposed to upgrade 50,000 naira, that's $50 to your uplines, and you can withdraw 6,000 naira, that's $6 to your bank account or your crypto wallet. For the fourth level earning now, you're supposed to get 50,000 naira, that's $50 from 16 people. It gives you a total of 800,000 naira or $800. You're not supposed to withdraw everything again on this level. You're supposed to upgrade 630,000 naira, that's $630 to your uplines, and then you can withdraw 170,000 naira, that's $170 to your bank account or your crypto wallet. This is your fourth level earning. Now on the fifth level, you are getting 630,000 naira, that's $630 from 32 people. This gives you a total of 20,160,000 naira or $20,160. Now from here, there's no more upgrade. All this money that you get is for you to keep for yourself. Wow! It is easy to earn in our network, but all those earning cannot come to you if you don't register first. Then register your first 2 downlines and consciously build your team. Please don't stop at the first 2 downlines only. Keep at it so that you can make very fast progress in this network. Our network is built to last and we are genuine. Some of you know how I started from the scratch to build my companies, from the daily contribution group to my foodstuff company, to my cooperative where I give loans to small business owners, to my telecom business, to my POS business. I have worked hard to build my first 5 companies and they are going stronger. This 6th one will not be an exception. Let's do this together. Do your part and earn big with Fund Your Dreams Network, also known as the $1 Club. We have built a system where it is compulsory for you to earn at all levels, because your downlines cannot earn and withdraw everything, thereby refusing to upgrade to you. It happens a lot in other networks, but here, everyone who earns must upgrade so that their uplines will earn in each level. Our withdrawals are fast and easy too. Once you withdraw, you get your money to your bank account or to your crypto wallet immediately, no delays at all. So if you have any feedback for me, I would really love to hear from you. Thanks for listening to me and God bless you. Bye.
All right, so there you are. You've listened to the CEO of Fund Your Dreams Network. There she is, Ruth Kenozoma. She told you all there is to know. So just make your decision and see whether this is for you and get your $1. Take your first step, open your first account, and then if you like, you can do multiple accounts. Multiple accounts are accepted on this platform. So you can have 3 accounts, your main account, and then your 2 legs under you will also be your account. And each of the accounts is a position for you that's capable of earning you the $20,000. You can have 7 accounts, you can have 15 accounts, you can have as many accounts as you can. And then you begin to build your network under those. And then every account you register has the potential of earning you $20,160 US. So what are you waiting for? This is my bonus announcement for you. The first 10 people to register 3 to 7 multiple accounts will receive one free activation pin to register their first account. So if you give me a comment that you want to register 3 accounts or 7 accounts, the first 10 people, I'll give you a free activation or registration pin to register your account, the first account, and then you can purchase the remaining registration pins or activation pins to register the remaining account. So don't hesitate, and you can use that as a strategy to build your network fast. You can decide that I am building a team where everybody must build 3 accounts or must have 3 accounts or 7 accounts or 15 accounts. And you can imagine if you have a group and then all of you decide you are going 7 accounts each, you can imagine how the network will grow very, very fast, like a Hamatan wildfire. So thanks for watching. I want to just take you back into the platform itself, and then I'll just show you a few things, and then I'll be done with this video. So here you are. This is the fundyourdreams.com office index.php. So this is the back office, this is the dashboard, and so you can see this is my interface, my account, and so you can see there I am currently at level 4 or level 3, level 3. My 2 direct downlines, I have referred to direct downlines in this account, and then there are many under. This is my upline, and so you can see I don't have anything in my upgrade wallet because I've just upgraded to level 3, and then I'm going to begin building the down again, and then I will upgrade to level 4. So I have 14 accounts or team members down here. Now look at this place. This is the total earnings I have made so far, $10. So the first $2, as you listen to the CEO, you don't withdraw anything. That's the first level where you upgrade to level 2. So the first $2 you receive for your first 2 downlines, you are using it to upgrade to level 2. And then after that, you will receive $2 from the third up downline, and then you are going to use, that's $8, and you are going to use 7 out of the $8 to upgrade from level 2 to level 3. So that is what I have done. So I've earned 10. 2 was used to upgrade from level 1 to level 2, and then 7 was used to upgrade from level 2 to level 3, remaining 1. So this is the one that is in my wallet balance, which I can withdraw. So I am waiting to build the network, and then I will gather again, and then I will upgrade to level 4, and then the balance will be put here, and then you can withdraw this at any time. Let me just show you genealogy quickly, and then we'll be done with this video. So you see, you can come and check your genealogy here, so you can see it. So that will be your first account. So if you have a multiple account 3, you will see this is the first one, level 3. These are the 2, level 2. You click on this one, it opens the downline. So you open, so you can see if you have 7 accounts, this is how it will be like. So you can see that these are all level 2. It means they still have downlines. So you can see, you open each of them, and it opens up your whole network for you to see. So these are 15 accounts that you can see here. You can have them, and all you spend is $15 to get 15 accounts like this. And then you begin to refer under each of these accounts. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and then you get your next level of 16, and then you get your next level of 32 and 64, like that. And then your earnings are coming in, and before you realize, your first account has reached level 5, and it starts receiving $630 from 32 people. That will amount to the 20,000, and before you realize, this account is also moving up, and it's also earning and following this one gradually. So I seriously recommend multiple accounts, because the capital is not huge, just $1 one-time investment, and then you can earn that already. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in subsequent videos. I'll be doing videos showing you how to register, how to purchase your registration pin, and then the back office and everything. So thanks for watching. Leave me a comment if you are interested and then you want to register. You cannot register without the registration pin. That is the way you pay your $1. So you purchase a code which you use to register. We call it activation pin or registration pin, and that is a mandatory thing. So you have to purchase that one before you can register. So 2 things you need is your upline's link, referral link. So once you register, you will see your referral link at the top of your account dashboard, and then you copy it and give it to anybody who is interested. So that is it. You just click here and copy it, so you can see that is your username there, that is referring the person. So those two things, the referral link from your referrer and then the registration or activation pin. Once you have those two, you are ready to go. You can register the account in less than 2 minutes, and then you will be live and you start referring others. So leave me a comment and then indicate if you want to register 3 or 7 accounts, and then I promise to give you your first registration pin so that you can register your principal account, and then you can now purchase your own pins to register the subsequent account before you start inviting people to your network. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.